and listen to the.
Menace Radio 216 in the studio live right now. Dre Evans in the building.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Dre Evans. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. It's your boy Shawnee LaVasia working on this album that's dropping March 31st, 2011. It's the new hotness, y'all. She is definitely, working, burning the midnight oil. She's taking care of business. We taking care of business. It's about business right here, y'all. It's about history. Black History Month. We are all black. You can tell. Look at me. I'm real black. I'm straight Conta. Actually that's one of my names. It's your boy La Conta. You know what I'm saying? I got a question to y'all. How many runaway slaves got shoe deals? None. And that's a shame. That's a shame. None of my people, none of my ancestors got shoe deals. You feel me? You feel me? But enough of me. Let's get back to LaVasia. She got 14 hot tracks from the city of Cleveland all the way to the UK. I want to give a shout out to my brother in Afghanistan. What's up, bro? I want to say what's up to Iraq. I want to say what's up to Great Britain. I want to say what's up to Youngstown, Superior, St. Clair, Chester. I got a hug, Cleveland. Come here. Give your boy a hug. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Calm down, because it's 3 a.m. No Red Bull. This is how we do it. No dope. We don't do the dope, man. I call the dope, man, okay? I call the police on you, dope, man, for real. That's on everything I love, And then, once again, like I said, after we get done with LaVasia, Sean E., Scratchmaster L, they already got together and said, Dre, the streets is calling for you, baby. Guess what? The single is coming. I think they know I told. Hey, I'm not mad. Y'all, hey, that's right. Y'all got them stacks. I want them stacks. For real. You know what I'm saying? The wait is over, baby. For real. For LaVasia and your boy Dre. 216minutesradio.com.